Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Chatgpt 4 for free. Okay, so as you know, Chatgpt 3.5 is very easy and free to use, but Chatgpt 4 is upgraded version of 3.5 and this is very good version. And now if I go for using it, it will ask for premium subscription to me. Now the most of the people do not want to pay any fee to use this version, so I have find one trick for this. Like you can use it for free and you do not have to pay any single penny. Okay, like it is asking for $25 per month, which is very high price. $20 per month. That is very high price to use anything for like premium subscription for AI bots. Okay, now I have got trick for that. This like you can use it for free, and I will show you whole tutorial how you can use that. So let's move into the video. Now just go to your Chrome browser, or you can go to any other browser. You can use it on mobile also, and you have to type Merlin. Okay, Merlin AI, and you have to open the first website which you will find after searching on the Google. And you see this is a website where you can find Chatgpt 4. I will show you whole trick. You don't have to worry for anything. After opening this website, the interface is something like that, and the interface is very decent, but you maybe get confused by if you are doing by your own. So I am here to show you whole tutorial. Now you have to click on login, and now you have to click on sign up with Google, and you have to use your Google account to log in into this Merlin account. Okay, now create a Merlin account, as I am creating the account, and you just have to sign in. Okay, now I have successfully signed up in this account of Merlin. Now we are registered in this website, and you can use also their Chrome extension. This is written install Chrome web store. Okay, so you can also use Chrome extension, but here the chat with Merlin option is given. Now we will click over here, and if you will see, the interface is something like that. Now you can use the Chatgpt 4. Now if you see, the version Chatgpt 3.5 is selected. Now this is a lightning keys. You will when you will type one thing, and this will be detected. So this is something like paid. Okay, like after 100 chats you have to pay, but you can create another account to get again access for free. Now you have to click on Chatgpt 4 over here. You will see many other bots. Okay, so you just have to click on Chatgpt 4, which is free for 100 chats. Okay, now after that you can just create another account for getting it for again free. So you can generate anything like Chatgpt 4. It might be very slow, like slight slow from Chatgpt 4 organically, but this is very good tool, and it will be using like as Chatgpt 4 really uses. Okay, so you just have to type anything and whatever you want, so you can easily use it for free. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to use Chatgpt 4 for free. And as I told you, after 100 chats this will be asking for premium subscription fee. Okay, you don't have to pay any fee. You just have to create another Google account and sign up into Merlin account. You will again get 102 lightning bucks to use it for free. Okay, so this is how you can get Chatgpt for free. I will give you more tricks in another video to use this for app tools free. Okay, so let's meet in the next video.